Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sunny side eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 or 2 large, fresh eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil, and a little salt and pepper for seasoning. Next, select a good quality nonstick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches in size, to ensure your eggs don't stick. Make sure your pan is perfectly clean and dry before you begin heating it up. This preparation is key for a perfect result. Now let's get that pan ready for cooking. Place your nonstick pan over a medium-low heat setting. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil to the pan. You'll know it's ready when the butter has fully melted and starts to shimmer, or if you're using oil, it will begin to lightly ripple. This indicates the perfect temperature. Then, gently crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the heated pan. Be very careful not to break those beautiful, round yolks. Precision here makes all the difference. With your eggs in the pan, it's time to cook them to perfection. Let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for the egg whites to become completely set and opaque, while the yolks should remain wonderfully runny and a vibrant, bright yellow. If you prefer the very top of your whites a little firmer, you can add just 1 teaspoon of water to the pan and cover it for about 30 seconds. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper to your liking. Once your sunny side-up eggs are cooked just right, it's time to serve them. Using a thin, flexible spatula, carefully slide the perfectly cooked eggs from the pan directly onto your plate. They are best enjoyed immediately, so don't delay. Pair them with some crispy toast, creamy avocado, or any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. For an easy cleanup, simply wipe out the pan with a paper towel while it's still warm. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked sunny side-up eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.